Right. Right now we are in the client computer, and then what you're going to do in this video, you're going to join this client to our domain. Remember, our domain is task 2. Okay. Uh, let's firstly start with command prompt, just to see that, just to make sure that we are connected to the right, correct DHCP server. Type the command ipconfig ipconfig. It should be able to pick up the DHP server, even though it is not connected yet. But look at this. It has been provided the address within the scope that we have created in our DHCP server, and our domain connection specific DNS suffix it's task2.com. This is where we're going to connect our client to. The other second command that I want you to type, it's that was ipconfig. I want you to ping task2. We are pinging what? The domain, right? It is responding, so it is it, that means it's already connected. Let's see. Let's go back to is that possible? Let's go back to our computers, users and computers in the Active Directory. There's nothing. Look at this. There's nothing. There's no computer here. So we need to join this to these computers. So I'm not really sure why it's able to ping that. Okay. That is my server in the background. Let me minimize that. Now, let's go ahead and click on the File Explorer. You want the properties of this PC. You can either do that or you can type computer here, okay, in 2010. And then you'll have this PC, and then you can right click there. It's up to you. Right click and go to properties. Now, we want to see the information about this client. As you can see right now, this is the name of this computer, and it is under the work group. This is what you're going to change. We are using Windows 10 Pro. Remember, to join the client to the domain, you need professional operating systems. All right. You need business editions. For example, Windows Professional, Windows 10, not Home Edition. You can't use Home Edition here. Okay. So let's go ahead and change settings. Right. Now you will have to use wizard to join a domain or a workgroup. Click network ID. That is exactly what we're going to do. We can go ahead and change the computer name, but we can always change it on this wizard. This computer is part of a business network. I use it to connect to other computers at work. Yes. My company uses a network with a domain. Yes. Now, you will need the following information: username, password, your user account, domain name. So all this information that you're going to provide here are the information of your domain, the server, the ones that you use when you log into the server. Next. So let's go ahead and say administrator. That's how we log into the server. Administrator. This is the password of the server, and the domain is task2.com. All right, go next. Now we can change the computer name here. So let's go ahead and change it. Task 2, client. Now we want to connect it to task2.com. Click next. Now type the name and password of the account with permissions to join the domain. This is administrator. Administrator. The password is password. And then the domain is task2.com. Go ahead and click OK. Your computer could not be joined to the domain because the following error has occurred. The username or password is incorrect. Let's go ahead and fix that. Administrator. Okay, let's see. Everything is well now. You must restart your computer to apply these changes. Let's go ahead, finish. Okay, restart now. Let's restart and see if our computer has been added to our domain. Just have to wait for it to finish restarting. African National Congress has already gave. Yeah, at this stage we have to wait for Windows to finish its configuration. Please wait, we will wait. I want to do something while we're waiting. Bad habits. All right. It has finished. I noticed something that is unusual here. You're supposed to say, you're supposed to have, did we do something wrong? Okay, fine, let's go ahead and test. You're supposed to have the name of our domain before this. Okay, let's go ahead and test this. My computer has become super slow. Okay, let's go ahead and try logging in with the administrator administrator. Okay, password 1. There we go. The username or password is incorrect. Administrator. Okay, we want to, come on, we want to log into the domain, not the client. We want to log into the domain, but now it's taking forever. Come on. So let's go ahead and type our domain name, task2. Let's see if we can log into our domain. While it's still logging in, let's go back to our server, users and computers. Look now we have task2 client. It has been joined successfully. All right, so let's go back. It's taking too long. I don't know why. Okay, it's taking too long. We can wait. We can wait. Come on. Come on. But as we can see, guys, we have already joined our computer to the domain. We have seen this here. I think I'm going to stop this video here because it's taking too long. We have seen when we go under users and computers, we now have this under computers. This, our client has been joined to the domain. Okay. All right. I'm going to stop this video here.